In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do toe curls, otherwise known as toe flexion, on a towel in a seated position. So the toe flexors work when we bring the toes from a neutral position and we claw down. So when we curl the toes inwards and we bring them towards the floor and into the floor, that is toe flexion. Now our toe flexors are part of the intrinsic muscles of our foot, which help overall foot strength and foot stability, as well as improving the arch of the foot as well. So what we're looking to do here is improve our biomechanics of the foot, and this would be an exercise that can be given either as rehab or alternatively for runners, anyone that's using the toes and foot and wants to strengthen up the foot itself. So what we're going to do, we've got the towel laid out. I'm going to bring my foot in the middle of the towel. And what I'm going to do here is have it completely pointing straight. Now I'm going to claw into the floor, and each time I do that, that's one repetition. And I know that I'm doing this correctly because my heel is always on the floor, and you can see the towel moving towards me as I grab into the towel and then start to pull and bring it in as I'm coming into toe flexion. Now what we'd look to do is look to do a set amount of sets and repetitions, and then we would repeat this on the other side. You can do this on other surfaces, so you don't have to do it on wooden flooring like I am. If you do it on wooden flooring, it's going to be substantially easier than something like carpet flooring, where there's far more resistance. That would be the progression of this exercise. And if you wanted to progress this even further, you can do bilateral, so you can do both feet at the same time. And I've done a video on how to do that on carpet flooring for the progression of this exercise. That's how to do toe curls with a towel in a seated position.